fans, history has just been created. The Infinity Castle arc has officially arrived on the big screen, and the very first movie of this epic trilogy premiered worldwide today, September 12th. The excitement leading up to this film was massive, and the numbers prove it. Pre-bookings smashed records across the globe, with theaters selling out weeks in advance. And now, with its worldwide premiere, the first Infinity Castle arc movie had already earned huge box office figures on day one, showing once again why Demon Slayer is one of the most successful anime franchise of all time. But beyond just numbers, what really stood out were the emotions. The first Infinity Castle arc movie wasn't just about action, it gave fans some of the most heart-wrenching and emotional scenes in the entire series so far. The fights were breathtaking, the visuals were Ufotable's best work yet, and the storytelling kept fans on the edge of their seats. Without spoiling too much, the film ended on a massive cliffhanger, setting the stage for even bigger events that are yet to come. Hello everyone, it's Sa Senpai. So where do you go from here? This is where Infinity Castle arc movie 2 comes into play. The second film in the trilogy will continue straight from the dramatic ending of movie 1. Fans can expect even more intense battles inside Muzin's terrifying castle, with our beloved Demon Slayers facing overwhelming odds. The action will ramp up, the sacrifices will hit harder, and the emotional stakes will rise. The cinema is absolute peak. This is where Ufotable truly shines, adapting some of the most unforgettable fights in the manga, complete with stunning animation, dynamic choreography, and emotional storytelling. Movie 2 will not just be about action, but about the growth, struggle, and heartbreaking moments of all the characters we have followed for years. Now, the big question: when will Infinity Castle arc movie 2 release? As of now, no official release date has been confirmed. However, looking at Ufotable's production cycle and how they have handled big arcs before, fans can expect the second Infinity Castle arc movie to premiere somewhere in the late 2026 or early 2027. This gives studio enough time to deliver the same level of quality or even surpass it, ensuring another cinematic masterpiece. In short, Demon Slayer Infinity Castle trilogy is off to an incredible start. The first movie has broken records, delivered emotions, and action-packed moments. Now, fans are left desperate for more. Infinity Castle arc movie number 2 is already one of the most anticipated anime released in years, and when it finally hits theaters, it's guaranteed to be an unforgettable experience. So get ready, because the battle inside the Infinity Castle has only just begun.